Welcome to week 3. This week we're going to learn about the benefits of personal fitness programs. We'll address the 5 principles of fitness, which include cardiopulmonary, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, and body composition. So within the discussion this week, we're going to address those 5 principles. So when you begin to do your discussion, these bulleted points here will be a great place to add in research. Any of them will be a great place for research. So how much of health and wellness is in your personal control? Do you think that you control your health and wellness? What other influences outside of yourself impact health and wellness? And why is knowledge about fitness and wellness important to behavior change or lifestyle change? How can that knowledge create a long-term change? Distinguish between the terms exercise, physical activity, and physical fitness. Are they the same? Are they different? What are the differences if they're not the same? And do you think the government should do more to ensure that everyone exercises? What does the government do to help with that right now? Are there any programs in place? What else do you think they should do? How is your community? Is it a safe place to exercise? Are there sidewalks so that you can get out and exercise? Are there parks, playgrounds for kids? Is there mandatory physical education for kids in the school system? Does the government offer workplace incentives for exercise? There's a lot of different aspects that you could look into, and again, add research on it. So as we move down a little more, this week's paper is going to be about designing your own fitness program. So you will create a 2 to 3 page paper, an APA format, which will include a cover page, in-text citations, and a reference page. And your format to cover all these topics should look something like first paragraph would be an introduction, and then you would explain the benefits of your program, the drawbacks, and you would describe how you will achieve an adequate level of wellness, as well as, an adequate level of fitness, as well as how will you maintain an adequate level of fitness. Next, you're going to identify your fitness program goals, and those will address the health, general physical activity, and nutrition. So you can write between 2 and 4 short-term goals and 2 to 4 long-term goals. So you'll have a minimum of 2 short-term and 2 long-term goals. And then you'll follow up with a summary, a conclusion. And at the end, don't forget to add in your reference page and include any research that you had within your paper that you cited. And you can also add graphics to support your paper if you'd like. So charts or images, anything that helps support what you talked about. It's not a requirement, but if you wanted to include it, you can. And then remember to use the rubric to grade yourself before you submit your assignment. And please email me if you have any questions. Have a great week.